Dentitox Pro Reviews. Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel. Today we will review Dentitox Pro. I've left a link in the description below. Dentitox Pro is a dental health supplement that has gained attention in the market. It is specifically formulated to support oral hygiene and promote healthy teeth and gums. This dietary supplement comes in liquid form and claims to address various dental issues such as gum disease, tooth decay, bad breath, and oral infections. With a focus on natural ingredients, Dentitox Pro aims to provide a convenient and holistic approach to dental care. This video aims to provide a comprehensive overview of Dentitox Pro. In this piece, we will delve into the key aspects of this dental health supplement, including its ingredients, potential benefits, safety considerations, consumer feedback, and expert opinions. Understanding dental health. Importance of oral hygiene. Maintaining good oral hygiene is crucial for overall dental health. Regular brushing, flossing, and rinsing with mouthwash help remove plaque, bacteria, and food particles from the teeth and gums. Effective oral hygiene practices can prevent tooth decay, gum disease, and bad breath. It also contributes to a healthy and attractive smile, enhances self-confidence, and reduces the risk of systemic health issues linked to poor oral health. Common dental issues. Dental issues are prevalent and can impact individuals of all ages. 1. Tooth decay, caused by plaque accumulation on teeth, leading to cavities. 2. Gum disease, inflammation of the gums caused by bacterial infection, leading to symptoms such as bleeding, swelling, and gum recession. 3. Bad breath, often caused by poor oral hygiene, bacterial buildup, or underlying dental issues. 4. Tooth sensitivity, discomfort or pain when consuming hot, cold, sweet, or acidic substances due to exposed tooth roots or enamel erosion. 5. Oral infections, bacterial or fungal infections that can affect various oral tissues, such as the gums, tongue, or mouth lining. Traditional approaches to dental care. Traditional dental care primarily revolves around professional dental visits involving regular checkups, cleanings, and treatments by dentists or dental hygienists. Individuals are advised to brush their teeth twice daily using fluoride toothpaste, floss daily, and mouthwash as recommended. Maintaining a balanced diet, limiting sugar intake, and avoiding tobacco products are crucial for optimal dental health. Traditional dental care practices emphasize prevention, early detection, and treatment of dental issues to maintain oral health. Claims made by the manufacturer. The manufacturer of Dentitox Pro makes several claims about the supplement's benefits. These claims include: 1. Supporting healthy teeth and gums. 2. Promoting strong and healthy enamel. 3. Addressing gum disease and reducing gum inflammation. 4. Combating bad breath and promoting fresh breath. 5. Preventing tooth decay and cavities. 6. Providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to support oral health. See ingredients used in Dentitox Pro. Dentitox Pro contains a combination of natural ingredients that are claimed to contribute to its dental health benefits. 1. Vitamins and minerals. These nutrients, such as vitamin C, vitamin D3, and calcium, are essential for maintaining healthy teeth and gums. 2. Herbal extracts. Ingredients like elderberry, licorice root, and xylitol are known for their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which may aid in combating oral infections and reducing gum inflammation. 3. Essential oils. Peppermint oil, cinnamon oil, and menthol are commonly used in oral care products for their refreshing and antibacterial properties, potentially supporting fresh breath and oral hygiene. Exploring the benefits of Dentitox Pro. A. Potential effects on gum health. Dentitox Pro claims to support gum health by addressing gum disease and reducing gum inflammation. The supplement's herbal extracts and essential oils possess antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, potentially helping combat oral bacteria and alleviate gum issues. However, it is essential to note that individual results may vary, and Dentitox Pro should not be considered a substitute for professional dental care in cases of severe gum disease. B. Potential effects on tooth decay. Dentitox Pro purports to prevent tooth decay and cavities. Some of its ingredients, such as xylitol and certain herbal extracts, may help inhibit the growth of oral bacteria and reduce the risk of cavities. The supplement also contains vitamins and minerals essential for maintaining healthy teeth and enamel. While these components can contribute to oral health, maintaining regular brushing, flossing, and professional dental care is necessary for optimal cavity prevention. See potential effects on bad breath. Dentitox Pro claims to combat bad breath and promote fresh breath. Including essential oils like peppermint oil and cinnamon oil, known for their refreshing properties and potential antibacterial effects, might help neutralize odors and provide a fresh feeling in the mouth. However, addressing the underlying causes of bad breath, such as poor oral hygiene or oral health issues, is essential to manage halitosis effectively. Potential effects on oral infections. Dentitox Pro suggests potential benefits in addressing oral infections. Some herbal extracts and essential oils used in the supplement have antimicrobial properties that could assist in combating oral bacteria and reducing the risk of diseases. However, it's crucial to note that severe or persistent oral infections may require professional dental intervention and should not solely rely on a dietary supplement. It is important to remember that while Dentitox Pro claims these potential benefits, scientific research specifically on the supplement's overall effectiveness and its impact on gum health, tooth decay, bad breath, and oral infections may be limited. Individual results may vary, and it's always advisable to consult with a dental professional for a comprehensive evaluation and personalized recommendations for addressing specific dental concerns. Safety and side effects. Considerations for using dental health supplements. When considering dental health supplements like Dentitox Pro, it is vital to keep the following considerations in mind. 1. Consultation. It is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or dentist before starting any new dietary supplement, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. 2. Quality and safety. Ensure that a reputable company manufactures the product and follows quality standards. Look for certifications and third-party testing to ensure safety and purity. 3. Individual needs. Dental health supplements may not be suitable or necessary for everyone. Assess your dental needs and determine whether a supplement aligns with your oral care routine. Possible side effects of Dentitox Pro. While Dentitox Pro claims to be a natural supplement, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects that may occur, although they may not be typical. Some possible side effects associated with the ingredients in Dentitox Pro may include the following. 1. Allergic reactions. Individuals with known allergies to any ingredients in Dentitox Pro should avoid its use to prevent adverse reactions. 2. Gastrointestinal discomfort. Certain herbal extracts or ingredients may cause mild digestive issues such as stomach upset or diarrhea in some individuals. 3. Interactions with medications. Some ingredients in Dentitox Pro may interact with certain medications. It is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional if you are taking any medications to ensure no potential interactions. It is crucial to prioritize your oral health and make informed decisions about using dental health supplements. Consulting with a healthcare professional or dentist can provide personalized advice based on your circumstances and help ensure your safety and well-being. Consumer reviews and feedback. Consumer reviews and feedback provide valuable insights into the experiences of individuals who have used Dentitox Pro. These reviews can offer an understanding of the product's effectiveness, user satisfaction, and potential benefits or drawbacks. By examining consumer experiences, one can gain a broader perspective on the supplement's impact on oral health. Positive and negative feedback. Consumer feedback on Dentitox Pro can vary, with positive and negative reviews. Positive feedback may highlight benefits such as improved gum health, reduced tooth sensitivity, fresher breath, or a general improvement in oral hygiene. On the other hand, negative feedback might address issues like lack of noticeable results, dissatisfaction with taste or texture, or limited effectiveness in addressing specific dental concerns. It's essential to consider a range of reviews to understand consumer experiences comprehensively. In closing, Dentitox Pro is a dental health supplement that supports oral hygiene and promotes healthy teeth and gums. While it may have potential benefits, individual results can vary, and it should be used in conjunction with a well-rounded oral care routine and professional dental care. Prioritize your oral health by consulting with a healthcare professional or dentist to ensure the best approach for your needs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.